If you're here for the M1 Ultra, don't worry, you are in the right place. Don't let this garage, this woodshop, all these projects confuse you. All of these projects, these are all different laser projects that I've done in this last year. Only 1 year with lasers and just kind of learning everything. It's super intuitive. And this new M1 Ultra, it is that. It's a laser where you can do all of these projects. I selected projects that you see are ones you could do on the M1 Ultra. And in addition, there's also the printer. There's also, basically a Cricut, a silhouette melded into it. So lots of potential here. But I just wanted to showcase that this video, while I will have reviews of the machine, just like I have with other xTool products, it's all about making projects and giving you ideas, tips and tricks for efficiency and inspiration. So where's the machine? Don't worry, the machine's coming. It should be here in about a week or so, and I will do the same treatment I do with all of the new xTool machines. Lots of tutorials exploring all the things, and you'll see an up-close look. So really quick, I'm gonna dig in a little bit more to what it can do, some of the information that xTool has released and shared, just so you have an idea what is this machine and why would you be interested in this unit as opposed to other ones. So excited about this machine. So the M1 Ultra, it's really made for the crafter, right? For a hobbyist. But as a small business, there's lots of applications for you as well, with branding, crafts, all kinds of things. And so it really is an introductory machine that has all the great features from the other lasers at an affordable rate, right? And now they've added some extra features like the inkjet printer, right? So now you can actually do printing in addition to all the cutting, the pen work, or the laser features. It's been upgraded from their previous unit, the M1, where you have the option of adding a 20-watt module, so going up from the 10-watt. There is that pinpoint positioning system like they have on the S1, which is fantastic. Of course, you can see here with the heat presses, wow, all-in-one, seamless. That's the one thing that's great about xTool is a lot of their accessories, they just work for so many different applications. And so this will be great. So you can do sublimation, you can do vinyl transfers, you can do all kinds of things. But yeah, here you can see the live event is coming. So yes, that live event is coming to talk more about it, but really I want to showcase all that it can do. So obviously it can do wood, right? So wood, of course, a woodworker, I love that. It can cut wood, it can engrave wood. You can even use the inkjet printer on the wood. You'll probably want to add a clear coat to do a little bit more. I'm excited to explore that. Obviously fabric. Fabric is great. Now you can do the xTool screen printer. I just released a video on how to do screen printing, but you can actually do inkjet printing onto fabric, or you could cut with the blade cutting, you could cut vinyl and heat transfers for adhering, or you could use the machine itself in conjunction with their screen printer to make screens for screen printing. Paper, obviously this is going to be great. Like with the other cutting machines like a Silhouette or a Cricut, you can do all kinds of cutting for really high-end paper crafts, mandala boxes, all kinds of things. You can do foil, right? So deep cutting in other objects like leather, leatherette. If you want to get some intricate foil with the cutter heads, I can even do acrylic laser cutting, which is great. I've done quite a few projects with lasers and acrylic. You can look at my channel to see some ideas about that. The rotary attachment. So here is a little glass candle. And so the RA2 rotary attachment, or the RA2 Pro, I'll be showcasing that in the upcoming video. Just with tumblers, and then you can do kind of etching, you can do printing on it, all kinds of possibilities with the rotary. There is an optional riser base that you could purchase, so you could get larger diameter objects. And xTool software is super easy and it's expanding all the time, so I can imagine there's a lot more capabilities coming. Ceramics, I actually just did a video talking about ceramics, so I'm really excited to do some more using porcelain markers, right? And so some really intricate designs, lots of possibilities here. Super exciting. Felt wood, again, it can do deep cutting. There's all the different cutter heads that you can attach right here, like you have with those traditional tools, which is new to me. But again, just because it's new to me doesn't mean I'm not going to do the research and really bring some compelling content in the future. So stay tuned for that. Some really exciting things that I'll do both here at home, but also like with my students. With my students as a teacher, I'll be doing it with coworkers at my elementary school. Stainless steel, right? Engraving steel, all kinds of possibilities. Cardstock, rocks, right? I love doing slate coasters. I think that's a really, really great look. I have a couple of videos just on how to do that. So if you're new to the channel, you can look through and see, you know, a dozen plus project idea videos that could translate to the M1 Ultra right away. So lots of possibilities. These are just some of the possibilities with the M1 Ultra. All right, and so those 4 machines in one is the idea of laser mode. So I can use a diode laser for engraving and cutting. I can do a blade mode, lots of different blades and cutters, versatile tools for cutting and foiling. Inkjet mode, this is brand new, amazing. So vivid ink for colorful printing. You can print on all kinds of things. Probably gonna have to add a clear coat after the fact, but how amazing this, I just can't wait. You can even, it does work on wood, so we'll explore that for sure. And then the pen mode, right? A lot of different types of pens for all kinds of projects, including porcelain pens. But what you do right here is you can just swap out these modules really quick and easy, like it just shows there. 3 seconds, really, really well designed, well thought out. So excited to show you mine when it gets here very soon, and then of course showcase a lot of different projects. But this again gives a deeper look at, a closer look at what it can do. So like you saw earlier, the heat presses are going to be fantastic, right? So you can have a platform, you can have a handheld, you can have the mini one, which is going to be open up a lot of possibility for those transfers. I'm excited for that. Those leather patches can do a lot more with that. Preset, so a great thing, you don't have to go out and look elsewhere for it. Some other project ideas that you can do, right? So obviously all kinds of sublimation you can do with the heat press. But here's what I want to really talk about. So here is the deal and why I'm doing the video right now. xTool, whenever they launched a new product, their first launch, you really want to jump in because that is the best price ever. And so for $50 deposit, it is refundable. For $50, you're going to get $500 off when you actually purchase, and then $500 in other benefits. So right here, the final price is going to start at $1,200. Now I'm assuming that's probably going to be the 10-watt module, so you'll get the base M1 and the 10-watt module, which is fantastic. That is a crazy deal considering that it's self-contained, it's enclosed, you have all the safety features, the free XCS software. Like there's nothing, I mean, that doesn't even touch. It's incredible. You could probably add on, you know, if you want to add an upgrade to the 20-watt module, or if you want to add other accessories, obviously that could go up. But right here, you can see that price. Other benefits, you can buy the heat press if you need it. If you don't need it, you don't need to purchase it, but then there's some extra benefits. So definitely recommend jumping in on that deposit now and checking out the M1 Ultra. All right, this was a quick teaser, more coming, lots more content coming on the M1 Ultra. If this video provided value or you want to see more videos like this or these projects, please consider subscribing to see videos like that. If you're interested, the deposit, I highly recommend you jump on. It is refundable, but you jump in for a small fee, get big savings. So definitely check that out. You can use this QR code if you're on a TV, take a picture, or you can just look down below in the description to learn more. But super excited. I am so excited about what I can do with the M1 Ultra, both here, and I'm going to be taking it to my school, my classroom. I'm a teacher, doing it with coworkers, with other teachers, with my students. So lots of possibilities here with the M1 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Until next time.